In this video, I will show you how to add the HubSpot tracking code to your website. If you want to track website visitors and collect analytics in HubSpot, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, sign in to your HubSpot account. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then navigate to Tracking and Analytics and select Tracking Code. Here, you'll find your HubSpot tracking code. Click Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Next, open your website's dashboard or content management system. Locate the section where you can edit your website's header or custom code. Paste the HubSpot tracking code just before the closing is less than, head is greater than tag on every page of your website. Save your changes and publish the update. After the code has been added, return to your HubSpot account. It may take a few minutes for HubSpot to detect the tracking code. Once it's detected, your website visits and analytics will start appearing in your HubSpot dashboard. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.